everyone, this is Smilesnburps. Just like you, I am a mother too. I am a mother to a 2-year-old baby girl, and today I am going to tell you about some of the products that I discovered and would like to recommend during my journey as a mother. Now, the very first product that you require from the time your baby is born is a diaper. Well, I have used lots of diapers brands. I was given a packet of Mammy Poco pants at the hospital itself. Then I used Huggies, I used Teddies and Pampers as well. Among all these brands, I like the Pampers most. I'll tell you why. Number one, it is very soft from inside. You see, this one is the L size because my daughter is grown up now, but the newborn Pampers has got a very soft feel inside for your baby's delicate skin. It has got a very good absorption also because newborns pee a lot. And the most important thing, there's this line here that runs all through the diaper. It changes its color once the diaper is getting full. So it is very good for the new mother because she doesn't know whether the diaper is full or not, when should you change it. So I would recommend you to use a pamper any day. Another thing that you should keep in mind that when your baby is younger, like below 6 months, you should use the Pampers which sticks on because it is easy to change it when your baby cannot move, cannot sit or stand. After your baby turns 6 months old, I would suggest you to shift over to the pant style diaper because now you can put it on easily, and because your baby is crawling, sitting or learning to walk, it is very comfortable for them to move around in a pant style diaper. Another baby hygiene product is baby wipes. Now again, among baby wipes, I have used Himalayas, I have used Chico's, I have used Johnson & Johnson. And among all these three, I like Johnson & Johnson most because firstly, their smell is not very strong for your baby. And in other brands, I noticed a little bit of foam coming out of the baby wipes. I don't know whether it's good or bad for the baby, but I don't like it. So I like Johnson & Johnson baby the most. It is soft. It has got a very soft fragrance, and even they are very soft and gentle on your skin. Another product that you require right from the beginning is baby massage oil. Well, I started with Himalayas baby massage oil. I was okay with it, but it was too sticky for me. So I moved on to Sebamed baby massage oil. I love its fragrance. It has a very soothing fragrance. It's not very sticky because my daughter tends to fall asleep during the massage, so it does not stain the bedsheet while she's sleeping. I love this brand. I'll give it 10 on 10. Now, another product that you require daily is a baby body wash. Well, among body wash also I've used many brands. Some I did not like because they had a very strong odor. Some I did not like because they were a little too harsh for my baby, or I thought so. So again, my favorite brand is Sebamed. You would see I like most of the products from Sebamed only because I find the brand really reliable. Well, about the body wash, this one is extremely gentle for the newborn delicate skin. You can use it right from the first day. It maintains the ideal 5.5 pH of your baby's skin, and it is written here that the product is 100% soap and alkali free. And like I felt also the same thing because when I take it in my hand, it does not form too much of foam. That means it is soap free. So I would recommend this product to all the new mommies. Now the next product is a children's shampoo. Well, some mothers use the baby wash itself to wash their hair, but I would suggest you to not to do that because it does not help you much with the cradle cap, which all newborns have. Well, currently I'm using the Sebamed children's shampoo because I love this brand. I actually bought all of their stuff, but I like Johnson & Johnson's more, which I was using earlier. I'm not having the container with me right now. Actually, it comes with a pump, which you may use. It is very good when you are having a newborn baby because you require both your hands to handle them. So I would recommend you to use Johnson & Johnson's baby shampoo. Another bathroom product that I use is toothpaste, the Dentifricio toothpaste by Chico. Well, this is the first toothpaste that I ever bought. Earlier, I used to clean my daughter's teeth with a soft cotton cloth. Nowadays, finger brushes are also available, which you may use right from the beginning itself. Well, even when your baby is not having any teeth, You should clean their gums and tongue with a cotton cloth or a finger brush because they may have cavities when they have teeth. So it is very important to clean their mouth. Well, about this toothpaste, it is Meta Apple Banana flavored, which my daughter loves a lot. It says 6 months onwards, so I guess it is safe for a 2-year-old. It also says that it is a gentle, low abrasive formula, so it is okay if my daughter ingests it while I'm brushing her teeth because they love eating the toothpaste when they start brushing. Now, the next product that you require every day is a baby talcum powder. Well, I started with the Chico Baby Movements. It says it is paraben free, clinically tested, and it is suitable from 0 months onwards. I use her talc only at the time I change her nappy or right after I give her bath. Well, I would suggest you never to use a talcum powder on your baby's face because it may give them breathing problems or asthma. This one is a very big container. I have not used it completely. Right now I am using the Sebamed baby powder. Again, I have no problems with it. I just don't like the container because it is too tight for me to twist when my baby is running around. Like, you have to use a lot of effort while opening it. Still it is not coming out, so I'm not happy with the container. Otherwise, I have no complaints with the Sebamed baby powder and the Chico as well. I would recommend both to you. For using the baby powder, I would suggest you to buy this powder dispenser box. I have the Mimi one. It comes with a sponge which you may use to apply the talc on your baby's body. It is extremely soft. You can use any brand. Well, among the baby grooming products, I have been using a body lotion, a separate facial cream, and a baby cream. I'll tell you why I use two of them separately. Well, among the body lotion, I started with Sebamed, but it was too sticky for Indian summers. So I moved on to Chico because it is extremely light and watery, so it is good for summers. Moreover, my baby had a little rashes on her skin after I used Sebamed. I don't know whether it was because of it or not, but I like Chico more. About the baby's face, I would suggest not to use the body lotion for their faces because the skin of their body is different from the skin of their face. So I've been using this protective facial care cream. It says it has 5.5 pH. It is best for the protection from day one. I have no complaints. It comes with this nozzle. It is very easy. Just take it in a small quantity and you are ready to go. Well, about the baby cream. Again, this Sebamed baby cream I am using. It is extra soft. Well, you cannot use it on their face or their body because it is too sticky. I just use it in the nappy area to keep her soft. For nappy area, again, I have been using a diaper rash cream also. For this, I rely totally on Himalaya. Well, actually, I have not used any other brand. Well, it says it is free from parabens, mineral oil, and synthetic colors. I have no complaints with this product. Like, I use diapers a lot in the beginning, which every young mother do, especially if it's your firstborn. So your baby tend to get lots of rashes in the nappy area. This cream is really good. It relieves her of her rashes like within 10 hours. So I would like to suggest you to use a baby diaper rash cream, and the Himalaya is a very good brand. About the hair grooming, you would require a separate baby hair oil also. Well, some mothers use the massage oil itself for massaging their hair. Well, it does not work for me. So, I have been using this Johnson's baby hair oil. It's good. It's not very sticky, but it maintains her dry hair really well. In the winters, I use this almond oil. Well, it is Kashmiri almond oil we got from Jammu and Kashmir during our short visit. You may use any brand. I would also suggest that in the beginning, for massaging the body of your baby and for massaging their hair, it is better to use a edible oil because it is suitable for them to eat. Even if the baby ingests it while you are massaging them, it is not very harmful for them. For grooming your baby's hair, you should have a comb and a brush. Like, my baby had super dense hair, so I had to use a comb in the beginning itself. I used to hold her hair and then combed it to get free of the knots. But if your baby is having scanty hair growth, you should use a soft brush in the beginning. This one is a comb and brush set I got from Pigeons. You may use any brand depending upon the length and the density of your baby. So guys, these are the few products I used for my baby for the first 2 years. These are very good as per my experience. But again, every baby is different. Their skin is different. Every mama's journey is different. You may discover your own better products. But these are the ones I would recommend to any mother. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope it was useful to you. If you like the video, press the like button, share it with your other mother friends, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.